are a few different preservation or extraction methods, including physical, logical, file system, and SIM card. Here we can see a few examples of the differences between the main three methods. Physical extraction is the number one best kind. This is a bit-for-bit preservation of a mobile device, which includes the unallocated or unused space of the phone. Unallocated space is where, if not overwritten, deleted data can be found. We will discuss deleted data in a little bit. Unfortunately, as smartphone security grows, physical extraction capabilities shrink. In order to perform a physical extraction, access to the device's internal memory is needed. These security measures made by the smartphone's manufacturers do not allow tools to access everything needed for extraction unsupported by forensic tools for more recent devices. A logical extraction will pull the user data, which includes text messages, call logs, videos, photos, and pretty much what the user can see or access on their device. This is the quickest collection method, but will pull the least amount of data. A file system extraction gets the files embedded in the memory of the device, as well as retrieving the artifacts within the logical extraction. It can also get hidden system files and databases on the phone that the user does not normally have access to, but contains some very vital information. An advanced logical is basically an extraction that combines the logical and the file system data, making this the advanced logical extraction has become the standard for iOS and Android devices. You can also extract data from SIM cards. Even though not much data can be found on the SIM, user and network information can be obtained. Older SIM cards used to store user data like call logs and contacts. A manual collection is the very last resort if no other collection method is working. This is literally using a camera to take pictures of the screen of the phone. It is very time consuming and not forensically sound, but if there is no other way to get the data, a manual collection will have to suffice. Now,